Welcome to today's masterclass where we're going to talk about the art of the pitch. I recommend you leave the team section to the end of your pitch. Why? Because from the moment we met and within the first 2 minutes of your pitch, I've already assessed you as a proxy for your team. So sorry for putting pressure on you, but that's just human nature, which is why you need to open strong to establish credibility. Throughout your presentation, I've been assessing your experience and expertise through your understanding of the customer and your business. I'm also assessing your coachability through how you respond to questions. Things you've said throughout your presentation, like, I started this business because I've lived with this problem in the past, gives you credibility. Adding anecdotes and quotes from customers you've interviewed demonstrates an open listening and learning mindset. Building an awesome pitch deck that anticipates and answers audience questions showcases your expertise. Hearing and responding to audience questions and suggestions demonstrates coachability. A team slide could show your current full-time and active leadership team, and perhaps you can call out any highly skilled, relevant expertise that they bring to the table. It could then show how you plan to grow your team over time. No padding. I don't want the picture to be muddied with advisors or part-time people. Only show me those that are fully committed to the success of your business. Here's the team's scorecard for you to mark yourself in your pitch. This is a great opportunity for you to take out your scorecard, score yourself, see how you're doing. So pause the video now and go do that, then come back and we'll continue.